Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of language, one of humanity's most fascinating and essential creations. Language shapes our world, allows us to express emotions, share ideas, and create a shared human experience. Understanding the origins of language provides insight into the evolution of human cognition and culture. Various theories attempt to explain how our ancestors developed the capacity for language over millennia. The Bow Wow theory suggests language began with imitations of natural sounds heard in the environment. Imagine early humans mimicking bird songs or animal calls as their first attempts at communication. This theory contemplates the sounds around us as foundational elements of early language development. The ding-dong theory proposes that speech arose from the natural resonance of objects and actions. Here, words originate from humans instinctively responding to environmental stimuli with vocal expressions. Consider the sound made when dropping a stone or the rustling of leaves in the wind. The Pooh-pooh theory highlights that language developed through emotional interjections and reflexive sounds. In moments of surprise, joy, or pain, early humans might have instinctively vocalized their emotions. These spontaneous outbursts could gradually structure into complex language systems over time. The yo-he-ho theory suggests language emerged from communal labor and rhythmical coordination. Picture ancient communities heaving together, creating rhythmic chants to synchronize their physical efforts. Chants might have evolved into structured language as communication needs became increasingly complex. The ta-ta theory suggests language began with gestures that eventually evolved into vocal communication. In its infancy, speech might have accompanied gestures to increase specificity and effectiveness. Think of how sign language and verbal language effectively complement each other, even today. The la-la theory alludes to the musical origins of language arising from love, play, and poetry. Consider how melody and rhythm can convey emotions and meanings beyond straightforward words. Over centuries, such emotional expressions could transform into the diverse languages we see today. Another viewpoint is presented by the gossip and grooming theory. This theory suggests language developed as humans needed to form social bonds beyond physical grooming. In larger groups, verbal communication became a more effective way to maintain social structures. With the creation of language, humans could share stories and strengthen cultural connections. The evolution of language might also be seen as an intellectual adaptation. As human societies grew, the complexity of interactions required more sophisticated forms of communication. The innateness hypothesis posits that humans have a natural predisposition for language acquisition. Biological evolution endowed the human brain with the capacity to develop and learn languages. Unique cognitive faculties may have led to the spontaneous emergence of language among humans. The development of language intertwines with advancements in tool-making and technological innovations. A more complex tool-based society required advanced communication to share and transmit knowledge effectively. Symbolism might have been a significant step towards abstract thought and language formation. Consider how cave paintings and symbolic artifacts show early attempts at communication. Language might have influenced the ability to plan, strategize, and cooperate in survival tasks. The evolutionary perspective raises questions about imitation in animal communication versus human language. Unlike most animal sounds, human language possesses syntax, enabling nuanced and recursive expression. Phonemes, the smallest units of sound, differentiate human languages from animal vocalizations. Combine phonemes into morphemes to create words, illustrating the building blocks of human communication. Grammar imparts structure to language, facilitating the conveyance of complex concepts and abstract ideas. The study of syntax reveals intricate rules governing sentence formation across different languages. Semantics lets us explore how meaning is constructed and interpreted in linguistic forms. Languages constantly evolve, adapting to societal changes, cultural exchanges, and technological progress. Linguists decode the paths of language evolution across time, from Proto-Indo-European to modern tongues. The role of linguistic diversity highlights the adaptability and richness of human communication. Some languages evolve while others wither, revealing a tapestry of cultural history and change. Research into endangered languages preserves valuable cultural heritage and linguistic diversity. Linguistic relativity explores how language influences cognition and worldview, shaping cultural perspectives. Understanding language origins helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of human cultures worldwide. Technological advancements in neural networks are propelling the study of language origins further. Innovation in artificial intelligence is creating systems capable of understanding and generating human language. Deep learning models learn from massive datasets, simulating some aspects of linguistic development. These models enhance our understanding of natural language processing and its potential applications. Explorations into biolinguistics examine how biological systems underpin language capacity across species. Comparative studies unveil parallels in communication systems between humans and other primates. This evidence fosters a deeper understanding of the unique evolutionary path of human language. Theories emphasize different aspects, but all contribute to a comprehensive understanding of language origins. Scientifically, language remains one of the most complex and debated phenomena in anthropology and linguistics. The mystery of language's origins continues to challenge scholars with new questions and discoveries. Each theory enriches our understanding of what makes humans distinctively communicative creatures.